You know what I'm like, I buy enough stuff anyway, this could be anything, but I have checked where it's come from, so I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It actually comes in like a presentation box. So get the certificate, badges, because everyone knows I love myself a little badge, a name badge. And this is a bit where it says I'm not actually to record this or tell anyone about anything, isn't it? Oh, stickers. Code of conduct, yeah, I suppose I'll be reading that one. Stickers will be going on the laptop very soon. I actually like the box and everything else. It's actually quite a sturdy looking thing. So here's the ring. Valentine's Day and I'm getting rings. So, there we go. The first ring is on. How about that? Actually solid.